Oh my goodness. Welcome to Fantastic's channel. Fantastic Favor is a highly favored channel. Hey. And on this channel you'll learn how to be an intentional parent. Cook simple yet delicious meals for your family. I'm a Christian, but I don't discriminate. Hey, please subscribe and join the family. Yeah. Oh my goodness. But I don't discriminate. Ooh, hey, please subscribe and join the family. Hey. Oh my goodness. And on this channel you'll learn how to be an intentional parent. Cook simple yet delicious meals for your family. I'm a Christian, but I don't discriminate. Hey, please subscribe and join the family. Oh my goodness.
It's like a simple, keep the ooh, it's wonderful. Oh, it's glorious.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now my goodness. And even learn how to be an intentional parent. Cook simple, delicious meals for your family. I'm a Christian, but I don't discriminate. Ooh, hey, please subscribe and join the family. Hey.
I just finished making this soup.
Oh my goodness.
Egusi soup, obviously, and I'm about to eat. I also made poundo to go with it. Oops. Oopsie lala. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Come and join me, guys. Let's enjoy. Guys, I've been telling my kids not to step on anything like this. Like whenever they see something like this, they should take another way instead of stepping on it. Right? I told them this thing some months back, and then after some months again, I came across a video of a woman. She just came out from her car. She parked along the road, and then she came out with her cat. As soon as she came out, this type of thing now was close to where she parked. She stepped on it, and boom, the woman fell inside it. I called my kids, all 4 of them, and showed them the video and told them, can you see? I've been warning you about this thing. Now you can see for yourself. Let it not be that mommy is always talking. Now you can see for yourself. So you should be more careful. You can never tell which one is bad. Forget that it's looking very clean and still in good condition. You don't know when you put your leg what might happen, you know. So always be careful. Now let's go up.
And I'll show you where I was
I just went to pick them up from school now.
Or go from the other way.
Yeah, see another one. There's also another one we saw somewhere there, and that one is already shaking. So be careful, okay, guys?
Okay, and this one here is different from the other one. This one here has holes.
Yeah.
You can open like it.
Just don't step on any of them, no matter how tiny it looks.
Come on. Even if it's the second one.
Yeah, even if it is the second one. Guys, we are trying to, my kids came up with a very good idea now. So they wanted to play. This is how it came about. They wanted to play here, and you guys know we don't have enough space here. So they were begging me if they can shift this chair back. This chair used to be here. So they shifted it back, and then they started suggesting, Mommy, I like the way it's looking now. We want the chair to be here permanently. I was like, I was actually doing something. Oh. So I'm like, okay, let's see if we can carry down my desk and put it down there where there is standing light. We'll put it there. Then the piano that used to be here, I already carried it out. You guys see. Can you see what the piano is doing here? So I already took it out. Here is the piano. So we are going to carry the piano and put it there, then shift this chair, shift it towards that side. And then this one will shift it here while we put my desk there. That's what we want to try now. And let's see if it's going to work. If it doesn't work, guys, listen, if it doesn't work, all of you will put hand, we'll rearrange it the way it was. Promise? If you know you don't have strength for back and forth, let's leave it.
I have strength.
Are you sure you have the strength?
Yes, I was born ready.
You were born ready. Okay. Oh. It's not when it doesn't work. I'll call you to come and rearrange it. You will now start squeezing your face. I'm not going to take that too. So if you know you are ready, let's do it. On the carpet.
Yes, this is what we did the other time. Yes.
Remove these dumbbells.
Okay. Dumbbells. Can do gymnastics. Wait, give me. Take, give me. Take. No. This one here is so weak. So stay here, just so. Wait, I'm not watching. Okay, I don't know. So I can just do that.
So it means my favorite place will be this one.
No, the floor will break.
That is pretty.
It's only beating.
This one to make
It's beating small.
Hey.
It's passing.
Now, wow. Guys, can you see that? This thing almost hit me. Eh?
no good.
It's a good thing we was almost finished.
So this is what we got today.
More food, more.
It's well. Okay guys, I want to show you the final look, what we came up with. We like it. We are loving it. Let's use it like this for some time, even if we will change. Let's use it like this. Okay. Only that you guys know now. Now they have enough space.
Yeah.
Careful.
It doesn't feel the same anymore.
Yeah, it doesn't feel the same anymore.
Yet I can still see this.
You were saying that this is now your new favorite sport. If I catch you, this is my sport. It has always been my sport, and it will continue to be my sport.
Then
You stay there, but you see this place. Don't try me.
And it's so cool because if you stay here and you need something, you will not walk, stand up and walk, you just grab it
From my table.
Hey, I love it.
Can somebody tell Favor to go to bed? Favor, you have admired this parlor enough. Go to bed right away. Now, before I open my eyes, these eyes are closed. Before I open them, you have disappeared.
Okay.
Is she still there? Favor, can you imagine this girl came to stand at my back? Did you laugh and sit back again? Favor, go to bed. You are going to school tomorrow. Go to bed. Now. This minute. Daddy is coming. Let's see what he will say. Dadina, what do you think about this arrangement?
This is best position, as if no him can zoom here.
It looks like Nigerian settings, right?
Very best. God, no, you didn't forget this thing.
That side now, there's nothing there to prevent it from touching the wall, but nothing we can do for now. That's why we are using the dumbbell for for this chair here.
This is best. We have enough space.
Enough space now.
As if our parlor was small before.
Mama mia, now it's big.
Dad,
Oh,
why do you have a castle?
I got injured.
If you are yet to never cry.
do you expect him to cry, Favor? Favor said daddy got injury, but he never cried.
Daddy cried then. What will children do?
Ask her if daddy cries, what will children do? That's what Hobby asked her. Favor, go to bed. The last time, everybody's, the rest of your siblings are in bed. Go to bed. I'm not laughing. Go to bed. Good night. Kiss me from now till tomorrow. Go to bed. Favor. Favor, go to bed.
No.
Ma. Go to bed. Others are in bed, though. Others are in bed. She's here looking for what is not looking for her. Favor, go to bed. I will not say it again. Go and help daddy and put on his shoes. Since you are looking for what to do, you don't want to go to bed.
Sorry, Daddy. Daddy, your leg is duro.
My Lord, what should you do? She said your leg is duro.
One soft one.
Yeah.
That's why I don't cry.
She said daddy's leg is hard. These children, eh? That's why you can never say anything you want to keep a secret where they are. You can't, because they will not keep that secret for you. They will say it the way it is. Your leg is duro. My Lord, you need a pedicure. You need a massage on your legs so they will get soft. Hey, Favor. Now what for you?
Who's this one before?
My Lord, please be careful with that your hand so you don't accidentally hit it somewhere.
Especially on driving.
Yeah, driving is true.
It's one hand now. This one is no longer used.
Jesus, it's true. I didn't even think of that. Favor just said it now. Hi. So you will drive with one hand. Pẹ̀lẹ́, my love.
Yeah, fuck it.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ ọkọ mi. Ọkọ mi àtàtà. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ọkọ mi àtàtà.
No longer I was silent.
See, this man don't see me finish. He said I'm no longer Onya Hausa. That is an Hausa woman. I'm now a Yoruba woman. I don't blame you. You don't see me finish. Bye, sugar pie.
Please be careful.
Bye, sugar pie. Come now. Bye, sugar me. Good night.
Take this one, okay. Let me take my.
Favor, go to bed. I will not say it again.
Huh?
What?